Today we're gonna make an avocado topped chicken. I'm gonna be making it right here on this cast iron skillet pan, but you can use this recipe and grill the chicken on the barbecue, bake it in the oven. The idea is that the chicken has been marinating with the cilantro lime marinade. It's full of seasoning, it tastes delicious. And at the very end, we're gonna top it with fresh avocado salsa. Now that my cast iron skillet is hot, I can feel the heat coming through. That's when I'm going to put some oil right on the bottom. I don't want to burn the oil, simply want to heat it up. So that's why I first heat up my skillet. The great thing about this marinade is that it only takes 20 minutes. So while I was making the avocado salsa, I simply let the chicken marinate in this bag. Okay, let's place it in the pan. You want to hear that sizzle. That means that your oil is hot, the pan is hot. Now I have an entire video showing you how to cook really juicy chicken in a pan so that it doesn't dry out. The one key thing though I want you to remember, if you don't go check out that video, which I'm gonna link for you, is to not touch your chicken or flip it for about 5 minutes, because that is why your chicken sticks to the bottom. So just leave it on here on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes before you flip it. Now I'm gonna just simply cover my chicken a little bit to minimize the spilling, but I don't want to cover it all the way because I don't want to create a steam dome in here. I just want to minimize the splatter. I've left my chicken undisturbed for about 5 minutes, and now as you can see, it lifts really easily. We have that beautiful sear on the outside. So we wanna flip all of our chicken breasts. So after I've achieved a great sear on the other side, I simply take my lid and cover it so it retains the heat inside of the pan, and my chicken will cook faster, more evenly, which of course I always cook chicken according to temperature. So I poke it through to 165 because it's white meat. I'll show you how. I'm gonna check for doneness by taking a piece of chicken out of here and right onto my board. You always want to check the temperature of the chicken internally, poke through the thickest part, and you want to make sure that it's not right over the fire so your thermometer doesn't measure out more than it really is. So this chicken is ready. I'm going to go ahead and remove my other chicken pieces right onto my board. Before I top my chicken with the avocado salsa, let's check out the inside of this chicken real quick. Using tongs so you don't burn your hands is a good idea. You can also let the chicken rest for a few minutes, but check it out. It's perfectly cooked inside. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and slice these other pieces as well. And then we're gonna top it with our avocado salsa. And I'm gonna show you basically how I would serve it at home. Now, I would serve this with some cilantro lime rice or with a salad if you're eating lower carb, with some grilled vegetables. If you're grilling this right on the grill, this is a great barbecue recipe. So in this bowl, I have some fresh avocado salsa that I've made by dicing up some avocado, squeezing some lime juice over the top, then putting some cilantro, shallots, a little bit of salt, tossing it around, and now all I have to do is use it to top my chicken. So it's delicious. If you can refrain yourself from eating it with chips while you cook the chicken, then you'll have a delicious topping for this epic recipe. And then you would just simply eat it by taking a forkful of your avocado salsa with a little bit of chicken. Oh my gosh. You can really taste the lime marinade in the chicken. It's perfectly juicy. Make sure you grab the ingredient measurements right below this video. If chicken is your favorite protein, make sure to visit the description box below this video, where I'm gonna put the ingredients for these recipes, as well as a link to a chicken ebook with more than 70 recipes, so your chicken night is always exciting to eat. And with that, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together a few times a week. See you next time.